Hey guys, I'm Ryan with Rhino Headers. We've got a Rhino pre-insulated header system in here. We're going to go install it, and then right afterwards we're going to do one out of built up dimensional lumber. Let's go see which one goes in faster. There you go. A built-up wood header took over twice as long to install than the Rhino insulated header system. It's cheaper than engineered wood. And when you factor in labor, it's also cheaper than field laminating wood headers. If you're installing rigid insulation in your header cavity right now, you know it can be very finicky. This eliminates a lot of the cutting and mess that goes along with that installation process. You framers, think about how nice it would be not to have to cut any headers, build them up, nail them together. You can stick to cutting your jacks, your trimmers, your sills, and your cripples. That's it. Just bring the headers right from the lumber load right to the wall. This header system won't shrink, warp, or twist. The Rhino insulated header system will drastically reduce your liability with warranty issues around the window opening.